Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. And today I'm going to explain chapter number 5 of English Reader. And chapter name is Zozo's Pet. Zozo's Pet. So, students, first of all, we will read the story. Chapter 5 Zozo's Pet. One day, Zozo saw a baby bird hopping in the bushes. The little bird was hurt in one wing. Zozo wanted to help the bird. He carried the baby bird home in his basket. Then he took a hammer, some nails, and some wood. He built a bird house for the baby bird. Zozo named his new pet Tweety. He caught insects for Tweety to eat. He gave Tweety fresh water in a cup. Tweety Heart's wings got better. She learned to fly. Students, now come on next page. When Zozo called, Tweety would fly to him and sit on his hand. Tweety was naughty. One morning, Zozo could not find his top. He looked for it till it was time to leave for school. He could not put on one boot. Come on, next paragraph. There was something stuck in it. Zozo held the boat up and shook it. Out fell the top. Tweety flapped her wings and laughed. Tweet, tweet. That was her way of laughing. Zozo laughed too. He picked up his bag and left for school. Students, come on the chapter 5 Zozo pet, and now we are going to explain according to their paragraph. So students, let's have a quick overview on this story. First of all, I will tell you about the story. The name of the story is Zozo's Pet. In this story, there is a description of a little boy whose name is Zozo and his pet whose name is Tweety. And Tweety is the name of a baby bird. The name of a little bird was hurt in one wings. So the whole story is moving around the Zozo and his pet. Here, the whole story is moving around the Zozo and his wounded baby bird. In this story, there is a little boy whose name is Zozo, and he was a very kind and very helpful towards anyone and mostly towards animals. So he saw pity towards this lady, towards the little birds, because little birds was hurt in one wings. And in the whole story, the Jojo take care of his little birds, and little birds got better after some time, and little birds behave like a friend with Jojo, and they do a lots of mischievous activity, and little birds was very naughty. So the whole story is about the Zozo, a little boy, and the little birds whose name is Tweety. The whole story is moving around these two characters. So students, after that I will explain you according to the paragraph. One day, Zozo saw a baby bird hopping in the bushes. The little bird was hurt in one wings. Zozo wanted to help the birds. He carried the baby bird home in his basket. Then he took a hammer, some nails, and some wood. He built bird houses for the baby bird. Zozo named his new pet Tweety. He caught insect for Tweety to eat. He gave Tweety fresh water in a cup. So students, first of all, look at this. Look at this boy. Can you see a boy over this screen? This is a little boy whose name is Zozo. Zozo. And this is a little birds. This is a little bird who was hurt in one wings, and her name is Tweety. Her name is Tweety, and the name Tweety is given by Zozo. So students, one day Zozo was in a garden, and he saw a baby bird hopping in the bushes. And the baby bird, the little birds, was hurt in one wing. Then Jojo bring the baby bird. Then Jojo bring the baby bird home in his basket and treat her in a very good way. In a very good way. And Jojo make a house for a little bird whose name is Tweety, because Jojo was a very kind and helpful boy towards animal, so he make a small house for Tweety. And now come on, next line. Now come on, next paragraph. Tweety heart's wing got better. She learned to fly. Now after some time, the little birds, Tweety, baby birds, whose name is Tweety, got better and learned to fly. When the Tweety got better, when the Zozo treat Jojo treat the wound of Tweety in a very good way, then the Tweety got better, and when the wings got better, then Tweety learned to fly. Now come on, next page and next paragraph. This is the next paragraph. When Zozo called Tweety would fly to him and sit on his hand, Tweety was naughty. One morning, Zozo could not find his top. He looked for it till it was time to leave for school. He could not put on one boot. So students, according to this paragraph, after some days, you can say, see, Tweety, the name of a baby birds, become very naughty because she is more friendly with Zozo. So she behaved like a naughty little birds because she was doing a lot of mischievous activities, and one day Zozo could not find his top. He searched all over. He searched his top at everywhere and every places, but Zozo didn't find his top, and suddenly he could not put on one boot. And after that, students, come on, next paragraph, and this is the last paragraph. There was something stuck in it. Zozo held the boot up and shook it. Out fell the top. Tweety flapped her wings and laughed, tweet, tweet. That was a way of laughing. Zozo laughed too. He picked up his bag and left for school. So, students, according to this paragraph, suddenly there was something stuck. There was something stuck in it. Then Zozo shook. Then Zozo shook his boat. Then top fell down from his boat because the top was in Zozo boat. So when the Zozo shook, when the Zozo shook his boat, then the top fell down from his boat. Then Tweety flapped her wing. Tweety flapped her wing and laughed. And that was her way of laughing. That was a way of expressing their feeling. Zozo laughed too because of Tweety activity. He picked up his bag, and after that, Zozo picked up his bag. Zozo took his bag and left for school and went to school. Now, conclusion of the story and moral of the story. Students, according to the story, we should be kind because in the whole story, Zozo saw his kindness towards animals. So we should be kind and helpful towards animal because they cannot express their feeling. Because they cannot express their feeling and animal cannot speak. So we should understand their feeling. We should understand their feeling because they have emotions and feelings like a human beings, like a man. So animal have also a feeling like a man. So we should understand their feeling and emotion, and we shouldn't ignore their feeling and emotion. We should be kind and helpful towards animal. So this is the moral that we get from the story. So students, I hope you all are understand this story. You all understand this story. This is a very lovely and beautiful story because we learn lots of things from this story. So students, I hope you all understand and learn helpful and kindness nature from Zozo. So students, you have to read all this story. You have to read the whole story. This is your homework. Thank you.